Hi everyone, I'm here with 3 Minutes Photoshop. In this video we learn how to create light ray in Photoshop. First, go to Select, choose Color Range, select Highlights, with Lasso tool, remove the unwanted parts of your selection. Take a copy with Ctrl J. Go to Filter, Blur Gallery, choose Path Blur. Then follow these settings. You can use eraser tool if you want. Press Ctrl T, right click and choose perspective. Grab a corner handle and drag to apply the perspective you want. I hope you enjoyed this video.